Good morning students. In this online lecture we are going to discuss about the synthesis of pyrrole, furan, thiophene. Okay. These are the structures of the pyrrole, furan, thiophene. Okay. So now I am going to discuss about the Paul-Knorr synthesis. So first I am going to prepare a pyrrole, that is from 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds. So this method involves the reaction of an enolizable 1,4-dicarbonyl compound with ammonia or ammonium carbonate or primary amine. Okay, this is the 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 4. These are the carbonyl groups. This is the structure of succinaldehyde. This should be enolizable, that it must be can be converted into a enol, then only it will work in this method. Okay, this is the, you have a hydrogens here and these hydrogens are shifted to here, then oxygen is shifted to here. So this is the enol form of succinaldehyde. If you treat with the ammonia and heat, you will get the pyrrole structure. Next I am going to talk about the mechanism of this reaction. So this is the succinaldehyde structure. Just I am writing like this because of our convenient to write the mechanism. Here ammonia, nitrogen having a lone pair of electrons. These lone pair of electrons attack on this carbon and this pi bond shifted towards the oxygen. After that you will get, and here nitrogen loses the electrons, it's get a positive charge, and this bond is shifted towards the oxygen and negative charge. In next step, this electrons is shifted to on nitrogen and this proton is shifted to on oxygen. After that you will get a, this hydrogen shifted to here OH and NH2, C double bond Y is common. In next step, this hydrogen bond is shifted to here and this OH is removed. So here H plus and OH, that is removed as a water, that is minus H2O. So after shifting of the bond, you will get a double bond here. And next step, this nitrogen lone pair of electrons attack on this bond shifted to here. Okay, same, this bond is shifted towards the oxygen. Here the bond is formed between the carbon and nitrogen. So after losing the electrons, it gets a positive and this negative. Same, the proton is shifted to here, here, and bond is shifted to nitrogen. This proton is goes to here, one O minus, and it be OH. And here also same, the hydrogen bond is shifted to here and OH is shifted here. Here removed as a water. So just I am writing the, you will get a pyrrole structure. So here CH, here C carbon, 1 2 3 4 carbons and 1 nitrogen, 1 2 3 4 and nitrogen. This is the pyrrole structure. And next synthesis of the furan. Furan, this is the structure of furan. Same succinaldehyde. So enolizable form. If you treat with the P2O5, so just we are P25 here act as a dehydrating agent, means removed as, is the water. Here OH and H is H2O is removed and oxygen. So you will get a furan. And same thiophene. Say this is the enolizable form. Here you have to use the P2S5, P2S5 and heat. So you will get a thiophene. So if you want to prepare the derivatives of the pyrrole or thiophene, here you are going to take a structure like this. Same, if you treat with the P2O5 heat, you will get a, this is the furan and here you have a CH3 group. So you will get 2,5 dimethyl furan. If you treat with ammonium carbonate, you will get a 2,5-dimethyl pyrrole, and P2S5 heat and you will get a 2,5-dimethyl thiophene. Thank you, students.